How to set up standby iOS 17. So all you have to do is to go here to your settings section. And after going here to your settings section, what you want to do is to scroll just a little bit up until you see the general section here. Now under the general section, you will see a lot of options, of course. But in this section, you will see the standby part here. It's actually under wallpaper and above the Siri and search. So tap on the standby here. And as you can see, it's currently toggled off. That's why our standby mode is turned off. Now, if you toggle that on, you will see these options here. You will see the display and of course toggle on the night mode here. And then if you want to show the notifications while you are set or when your phone is still on standby, then you have to toggle on the show notifications here. And then if you're done with that, the next thing that you want to do is to go here to your control panel. And this one, you will see the auto rotate, right? All you have to do is to turn that off so that you will turn on your auto rotate. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to turn off your phone here and then you will see your standby mode. And basically, as you can see here, you will see your clock and you will see your time here. And all you have to do is to just go and make go and explore it and then set up what you want to see. For me, I want to choose this clock. And basically, that's how you set up standby iOS 17. And that's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.